Hi, Uitzicht property owner. I'll bring the coffee, you get the property numbers. Good day, I'm Peter Kotze from Peter Kotze Real Estate. And if you own a property in Uitzicht, you may be wondering, what is it worth in the current market? Whether now is a good time to sell or whether keeping it as a rental still makes sense. That is why I'm offering a complimentary Uitzicht coffee and property checkup. It is a short 30-minute appointment in your own home. I'll bring the coffee and you receive the recent Uitzicht sales information, a realistic value range for your property, possibly a rental potential or value where relevant, and a practical view on whether selling, keeping, renting out, or upgrading may be the better move. There is no pressure and no obligation to list your property. The purpose is simply to help you make a better decision with proper local numbers. To book your complimentary Uitzicht coffee and property checkup, complete the form below or WhatsApp me directly. Before you sell, keep, rent out, or upgrade, get the Uitzicht numbers first.